Here I got the S23 Ultra. So let's open the box, see what's inside. So I got the phone, I got a case, and I got a SmartThings station. I got the wallet and the SmartThings station for free. I honestly would not have ordered them if they were not for free. So I got a super fast charging brick, a C-to-C cable, and the SmartThings station. With the wallet case, all I got is the wallet case, which is to be expected. Now to open the phone. Got an extra SIM eject pin, which is always nice. The phone comes with a C-to-C cable. I got the 1 terabyte black version. Really love the look of that S Pen, better than the graphite version. So here I have the S22 Ultra graphite version and the S23 Ultra black version. Now the 23 Ultra, the edges are curved and they're a matte black. On the S23 Ultra, the edges are more flat and it's kind of like a glossy metal finish, which in my opinion makes the S22 Ultra more aesthetically pleasing. Now we're going to open up the phones and see what is different on the inside. So the first difference I noticed is the shape of this large camera right here in the middle. It is different on the S23 Ultra, and I know that it has different specifications, so it's not really surprising. Now the only real difference here is the shape of the flex cables. They really did not need to make them wavy like that, but you know, they can do whatever they want. So I'll disconnect the battery and then I'm going to start removing components. The loudspeakers on the bottom seem identical, exactly the same as the previous model. The charge port boards also seem identical. However, what is surprising is to have this pull tab on the battery. Samsung has never done that before, and it's going to make it a lot easier to get the batteries out. The batteries are also identical, 5,000 milliamp hours, and even has the same flex connector as the other battery. Now to transfer over the data from the previous phone. And the last step is to put the camera lens protection on. I always put these on my phones. I recommend that everybody does because it's really annoying to get these things dirty or broken and have to replace them. it's looking good and it's ready to go.